everyone, I am Galika26 and for this video is about photo editor online. So this website is Pixlr.com, the world's favorite #1 online photo editor. Lets you edit your photos right in your browser for free. So they have two brands of photo editors. You can choose the advanced Pixlr E, the classic photo editing, or the playful Pixlr X, the modern photo editing. You can select your flavor, and now I will show you how to use the playful Pixlr X. So you can click playful Pixlr X, or you can go up here and click Pixlr X. To start editing for a photo, click create new. Then here you can choose the size. You can choose square HD, or you can choose the Instagram size, Instagram story, or the Facebook cover, Facebook profile, or the full HD. So I will try to use the full HD. Then you will input the file name. Then you can also add a background, so just click and then you can select the background color. So for example, I will choose blue, then click create. Now we have the background. To add photo, click this icon, add image. Then you can browse your photo. So you will select your photo and then click open. Or you can click URL. If you have the URL of an image, you can paste it here and then click load. Or you can go to stock. If you don't have an image, you can search here food or about flowers. So they have different photos here that you can use. Now let's go back and I will add photo. So add current, since we have the background already. Then adjust the photo. Then next is you can click this icon properties, so you can change your canvas or image size. So you can rotate, scale, and change the background color. So for the shortcut keyboard is P. So to resize image, so just click resize image. Then you will input the width and the height, and then click apply. Then for the canvas, so you can choose the anchor point. And then click apply. Then you can also rotate your image, flip horizontal or flip vertical. Then you can change your background color. Then this is the undo and the redo. Next is the arrange icon. So this is the arrange icon. You can move, transform, and change the layer settings. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut V. So click this. Then you can use this layer, or this is the layer. So you can arrange the top size. So you can input the size here, the left, width, and the height. Then you can rotate your image, you can flip and horizontal and vertical. Then you can apply the blend mode. So this is the blend mode, multiply. This is a mixing mode of an image. If you don't like the blend mode, you can click the undo. Then you can adjust the transparency. Then to add another layer, you can click this. Then you can add an empty layer, image, or text. So for example, empty layer. So this is the empty layer. Then to add an image layer, click this. Then it will open, and then you can select another photo. To add a text layer, click this, then select text. So you can rename this, for example, selfie. Then you can drag the text, so you can position. Then you can select the alignment, center alignment. Then you can select the font. And you can add the text color. Then for the size, you can adjust. And the line spacing also you can apply. And the letter spacing. Then you can add the background color. Then the outline also. Then you can add the shadow. Next is to crop an image. So you will click this icon, crop. So you can trim, cut, rotate, and straighten the canvas by free or fixed aspect. So you can click the keyboard shortcut C. So click this. Then you can adjust both sides. Then you can drag. So the way you adjust, it will change the width and the height. Or you can select the aspect. So you will click this, and then so this is the ratio of width 1:1. Then you can choose here the size. So this is the 16:9 widescreen, or you can adjust. Then after the changes, you will click the apply. Next is to zoom in. You can use your mouse, or you can click this to zoom out and zoom in. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment below, or click subscribe for more videos.